What's up, fam? Coach Nate here. You made it. And that means you've already chosen to show up for your body, your energy, and your posture today. If your back feels tight, if your shoulders are hunched, if you've been carrying the weight off yesterday, this flow is how you let it all go. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to reset your flexibility, open up stuck joints, and restore your natural posture without forcing anything. There's a stretch in the sequence that's called the world's greatest stretch for a reason. You'll see why in just a moment. The final two moves, they aren't just stretches, they are tests of control, and how you finish them will determine how you walk away from this session. You don't need more time to feel better. You just need better movement. And this is exactly that. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with gravity's help because sometimes your spine doesn't need to be pulled. It just needs space to breathe. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Inhale, lift your arms and lengthen your spine. Exhale and fold forward slowly, hinging from the hips. Let your arms hang or grab opposite elbows and sway side to side. I promise this move will release tension in your lower back, stretch the hamstrings, and calm your entire nervous system. Beginners, slightly bend your knees for comfort. Advanced stretches, straighten the legs and reach fingertips toward the floor. Here's a surprising fact. Your hamstrings are often tight not because they are short, but because they're protecting your spine. This move tells your body it's safe to let go. On your next inhale, can you drop your head just a little heavier and hold for 5 more seconds? Do you feel the stretch in your hamstrings or your back? Try adjusting your weight slightly forward. If it's in your back, that just gave your spine room to breathe. Now let's fire up your full body mobility. This is the most powerful stretch you can do in one motion. Hips, hamstrings, spine, shoulders. It's all in here. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge. Place your left hand on the floor. Reach your right arm up toward the sky, twisting through your torso. Hold the twist, then return to lunge position. I promise this move will improve hip mobility, thoracic rotation, and reset your posture in a single motion. Beginners, drop the back knee down for support. Advanced stretches, keep the back leg extended and twist deeper. I've got a fun fact for you. Thoracic, which is upper back rotation, is often the hidden reason behind shoulder stiffness and poor posture. This fixes that fast. Hold the twist and look at your top hand for 5 full seconds. Can you feel the stretch in your hip and your upper back? If not, check your hand alignment and breathe deeper. That just activated your spine. Now let's balance the other side. Let's bring symmetry into your movement and balance into your posture. Step your left foot forward into a lunge, a right hand on the ground, left arm reaching high. Twist through your upper back and breathe. Return to center slowly and with control. I promise this move will restore full body coordination and give your posture the alignment it's been craving. Beginners, use a block under your hand for support. Advanced stretches, add a gentle elbow to floor pulse before each twist. Try to match or beat the range you had on the right side. Can you go deeper, steadier, or maybe stronger? Do you feel the difference between sides? That tells you exactly where your body is holding back. That just recalibrated your whole body. Now we're getting into the side body for the full reset. This is where we bring breath, length, and balance together. Most people never stretch their side body, but it's the key to posture, breath, and shoulder relief. Kneel and extend your right leg straight out to the side. Right palm on your thigh or shin. Reach overhead. Stretch through your left fingertips. Start swinging your arm gently, making big circles. Stretching through your side, from your hip to your fingertips. I promise this move will lengthen your side body, improve rib mobility, and release shoulder and hip tension all at once. Beginners, keep hand on your hip or thigh. Advanced stretches, reach overhead and add a gentle side pulse. In case you didn't know, your obliques play a huge role in posture, and stretching them can instantly relieve tension in your neck. Can you hold the deepest point of the stretch and take one full slow inhale there? Can you feel the stretch from hip to fingertips? If not, you might be collapsing. Lift your chest. That just stretched one whole side of your body. Let's complete the reset. This is it, the final stretch. And the challenge? Match or exceed the depth and control you had on the right. Kneel with left leg extended. Left hand on your thigh and extend overhead. Breathe and open. Stretch from the inside out, swinging your arm gently. I promise the stretch will complete your posture reset, energize your breath, and leave your body standing taller and moving freer. Beginners, keep things light and supported. Advanced stretches flow into the stretch and add dynamic breath work. Can you hold and breathe through the deepest point of your range for 5 full seconds? Are your ribs flaring or stacked? Check in. This is where structure meets flow. You just stretched everything from your hamstrings to your shoulders and rewired your posture along the way. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.